Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, Autobeam product. This is a brand new release. So it's almost what I would call a finished product. And by that I mean it's kind of like a finalization for a product that they've had released in the past. But this one is almost like an OEM quality product. The reason I say that is because basically it's a full unit. So where you would normally replace the bulb inside for an LED, or maybe an LED panel bulbs, which I've currently got, which I'll show you in the rear of my car. This is an OEM standard product, but with LED units built in. So it's a complete replacement for your OEM products, but it looks OEM. I can't say that enough. So we're going to pop it in, we're going to see how bright it is this evening, and then hopefully if you guys want it, obviously you can go purchase it down below. There will be a link in the description. Also there's a discount for you guys, so CR10 will get you 10% off, and you can get yourself one of these. Okay, so in here, please ignore any additional wiring and these panels. So these panels, I've also got one on this side. These are sold by Autobeam, and they are basically an upgrade to your boot lights. So you can basically run a wire all the way along, but we're not here for that. We are here for this. So what you have to do is, there's a little notch just here. Get yourself a little pick and basically just up into the notch, pull it down and it will come out. And then once again, once you got it out, it will come out like this. So once again, ignore this additional wiring. This won't be here for your car. So that is your bulb. Normally you would have a bulb in here, but basically all you do is twist. So we're going to twist it like that, and then your bulb holder comes out and the unit itself comes out also. So obviously we're going to now replace that one for this one, and then what we're going to do is connect the power into here, and once it's connected the power, we're going to use basically that lead back there. So let's open this up and let's get it installed. So this is the unit side by side. Obviously this is just a holder, and this has a built-in LED panel inside. Obviously it's all enclosed in its own unit. It's got a grommet. Obviously it's really nicely built, because once again Autobeam actually care about the quality of their products. So all you got to do is literally plug this into here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this one-handed. I'm not going to be able to do it one-handed. So what we're going to do, we're going to plug this unit into the bulb holder here. So now that that's plugged in, you can see just how bright this LED bulb is. I mean, as you can see in the corner of the camera there, it's pretty bright. So what we're going to do is basically tuck this wiring up into here. Obviously you can spend a bit more time actually making this neat, and then it'll only go one way. So you've got little prongs on one side, so hopefully you can see these little prongs, and you're basically going to slide it in like that, and then on this side you've got a little clip to push that up, and that's it. So that's install complete. Hopefully you can kind of see how bright it is. Obviously you can compare this to your current OEM one outside. So have a look at this video, and then obviously have a look at your own car if you've just got the OEM bulbs. But as an upgrade, and to keep the OEM look and feel of the car, this is an amazing bulb so far. Once again, if you want to, you can also buy the LED panels, which are obviously slightly brighter. However, they do come as panels, and you do have to run additional wiring to the other side. So you've got two different products there. You've either got the panels, which obviously look like this. Obviously from the outside you can barely see them. Or you've got the OEM spec built-in LED unit, which is up here, which once again replaces your OEM holder for a nice LED one. So if you guys want that, once again, link in the description, CR10 for a discount. But I'm going to show you some night shots now, and then hopefully, if you guys want it, once again, head over to Autobeam and give it a little buy. hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Just a little video while I'm kind of out training. Thank you to Autobeam for supplying the bulb. Hopefully this video has helped you with the install. I mean, it's a very, very simple install, but a nice little product, well built, and obviously everyone loves LEDs, so why not get some of the best LEDs on the market. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe down below, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see on this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.